Guys, I will teach you how to close a door in a car. So imagine this is a car door and you're gonna open it wide. Imagine there's like a car right here and you have to open it a little bit wide. But if there's no car, you can open it very wide and you just exit and then you close like this. There. That is how you do it. That is exactly how you do it, guys. So like and subscribe.